How to delete public profile on Snapchat, or how to delete your Snapchat public profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete Snapchat public profile. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide through quick and easy with this video. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen that you can see there, and once you tap on it, you'll be headed into your profile. On your profile, what you want to do is here you can see my public profile option, right? You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll get an interface like this. Then tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and if you scroll all the way down below at the very bottom, you'll find the option that says clear public profile. If you tap on it, it'll ask you for confirmation everything you have added to your public profile will be deleted, including your bio, profile photo, public stories, and stories saved to your profile and such. So once you tap on clear, it'll be cleared, or your public profile will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Snapchat public profile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.